efficient,
reliable,
innovative.
We are NextSmartShip, the fastest growing fulfillment company in China. We started from zero, but right now,
We work with over 2,000 DTC brands from all over the world and partner with 70 logistic giants to set up.
a network of 100 shipping channels covering 220 countries.
In the first year, we shipped 1 million packages. Now we ship 1 million packages per month.
Regardless of your size or where you ship from, we have got your back.
No minimum quantities, no hidden fees, no BS. How do we do it?
with offices in 3 countries, China, Netherlands, and the US, we can understand your local business better.
We've gathered the best customer support team to assist you 24 hours and 7 days and help you achieve your goals.
We have 11 strategically located overseas warehouses, ensuring efficient storage and distribution.
We built our own systems so you can manage inventory, orders, shipping, and integration all in one place. And that's how we look for
4 years. To celebrate our anniversary, we offer
The best deals, up to 15% off shipping.
2 months of free storage, new shipping lines.
Free trial of our additional services.
and so much more. Join us and grow together with NextSmartShip.